Sizirhasha sisemzimkhulu we-SABC e-Auckland Park. Hlalele duze nanzi ezithutshileko.
He is part of those leaders, therefore, who leaves us not only with a moment to celebrate his legacy, but for many of us, he leaves us what we call a subversive memory.
Ingenile imlayezo yokulilela uPope Francis ongasekho ephasini.
Overall, we've made 500 arrests during this festive season. One of them was somebody in Solo in the Eastern Cape who was 10 times over the legal limit.
Bangaphezu kwamakhulu amahlanu abantu ababotshelwe ukuphula imithetho yendlela, khulukhulu ukuchayela abahamulile ngempela veke egudi.
It seems as if we are not winning. The graph of fatalities in Mpumalanga is going up.
Nanyana sehlile nje isibalo sengozi zendlela ngempela veke egudi, kodwa isifunda seMpumalanga sisalila bona ingasuthi kunalapho kusahlahela khona.
Ibhola ifana nesikole iyakuchanela ukuthi ukhule uma uphuma esikoleni uyakhona uma uphuma esikoleni udlala ibhola.
Esinye isibawo sokugcina sokuthi kube nama scout man. Nabasana abadlala ibhola ekhule ekhayana.
Iphaliswano lebholo iShakes Easter Tournament elidlalelwa enkundleni zehlabathi eveza ubuhle lidosa amehlo nethando labadlali abaningi seliveze nabadlali abaphezulu. Kulilanga lilenyuko siyalotshisa endaweni ngendawo lapho nikhona nanzi zamahwaqela zesiNdebele ku-SABC 1 ngesiNdebele akwande emakhaya. Amazwe wephasi abhodla emswaneni ngokulala ubuthongo basafuthi kombhishophi wamaRoma uPope Francis. Babuka indima ilimileko ekorweni yezekolo kanabaholi bamazwe ngamazwe bathi ube nomoya webumbano umbhishophi lo owabelethwele eArgentina ubhuphe ekseni namhlanje aneminyaka emachumi abunane nobunane.
uPope Francis wabelethelwa wabe wakhulela eArgentina ngezi-17 kuNobayeni ka-1936. Uyindodana yamaTariyana. Waqeda imfundo zakhe ze-University eChile. Wabuyela eArgentina ngo-1963 ayokuthola iziqu zofundisi. Ukusukela ngo-1964 ukuya ku-1965 wafundisa iliterature nepsychology e-Immaculate Conception College eSanta Fe eLatin America.
Diventi una nuova normalità. Non possiamo accettare di abituarci.
We are here today to say that we do not want this to become the new normal. We refuse to get used to this thing that tends to make humanity insensitive, causing a general hardening of the mentality. These are closed mentalities. We risk losing what is most noble in the human heart, compassion and mercy.
Rischiamo di perdere ciò che è più nobile nel cuore umano. La pietà, la misericordia.
Jorge Mario Bergoglio waba ngu-Archbishop we-Argentina ngo-1998. uPope John Paul wamnikela ubujamo bokuba nguSan Roberto Bellarmino. uCardinal Bergoglio waduma kakhulu eAmerica. Wakhe wakhuluma nendaba yokuthi kufuze kuthathwe njengecala ukwenza icala ukuthandana kwabantu bobulili ofanako.
Condannare una persona così
Condemning a person like that is a sin. Criminalizing people of homosexual tendencies is an injustice.
Wathinda abantu abaningi ephasini lonke.
I came here for the Pope and it's a symbolic time.
I feel sad about what's going on with him right now, because apart from his being a pope, he's also human.
It's the end of an era. It feels like something quite serious and profound. This is not something that happens very often.
Sikhatshana uPope Francis abanjwe umgomani wenyumonia. Wangeniswa esibhedlela seRoma ngemiraro yokuphefumula phakathi kwakamhlolanja.
Kusesenjalo umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uhlathulule uPope Francis njengomuntu obekakhamselela umbono webumbano, ukulingana kunye nokuhlogonyelwa kwalabo abazinqeme ezincane emphakathini. Umengameli ukhulume ngestatement esikhutshwe emkhulumeli wakhe uVincent Magwenya.
Catholics and people of all faiths are saddened today by the passing of a spiritual leader who sought to unite humanity and wished to see a world governed by fundamental human values. So we'll extend this traditional period of prayer and reflection, which will unite the Church and the international community in reflecting on the Holy Father's life and legacy.
Pope Francis will be remembered not only as the head of the Catholic Church, but as a revolutionary spiritual force who spoke to the conscience of humanity.
Pope Francis was one of those popes who, at least in my living memory, had fought hard for justice.
Even though he was long in years, some of us felt that he needed to continue playing the role that he was playing.
Ungqongqoshe wezokuthutha uBarbara Creecy uthi solo kuthome ipelaveke egudi babophe abatshayeli abangaphezulu kwama500 ngamacala ahlukahlukeneko wokuphula imithetho yendlela ekubalwa kiyo ukutshayela abahamulile. uCreecy ubekhuluma nababika indaba ngejima likahulumende lezokuphepha endleleni elibanjelwe eKranskop ku-N1. Utshilo nokuthi ingozi zendlela ziphunguke khulu kizo zonke imfunda ngepelaveke ede egudi ngaphandle kwesifunda seMpumalanga kwaphela.
Ungqongqoshe wezokuthutha ubuke ukusebenza ngempumelelo kwamapholisa eqinisekiseni zokuphepha ngesikhathi sikagudi. Ubuke khudlwana impumelelo ekule endleleni N1 lapho ngakhange kube khona namunye umuntu obhubhele engozini zendlela kulama holiday.
3 people that we've arrested for attempting to bribe police officers, one of whom was a drunk driver. Overall, we've made 500 arrests during this festive season. One of them was somebody in Solo in the Eastern Cape who was 10 times over the legal limit.
Veze nokuthi hlawulisa abangaphezulu kwe20,000 ngokwephula umthetho wendlela ngempela vekele.
We have deployed those officers across the country, particularly to those provinces that historically contribute the most in terms of serious accidents and fatalities.
uCreecy ngezelene nangokuthi ingozi eziningi ezenzekileko zibangelwe libele liphezulu ukushayela uhamlile nokudinwa khulu.
Kubatshazwa isiminyaminya endleleni eziningi ezikulu zenaga le njengoba nabantu abaningi sebabuyela emsebenzini, abanye ngababuya enkonzweni yegudi kanti abanye babuya endaweni zokuzithabisa. Asizwe naku umbiko ohlanganyelwe babika indaba bethu.
eMpumalanga uhulumende uzwakalise ukuthwenyeka ngengozi zendlela ezili-18 ezenzeka esifundeni esingesikhathi samaholiday wephasika. Kanti njengoba iningi labantu sele libuyela emuva nje okulandela ipelaveke ede yegudi, usomkhandlu wezokuphepha nokuvikela komphakathi uJackie Masiya uthi zinengi izehlakalo zokubotshwa kwabatshayeli ebebatshayela abahamlile.
We have recorded serious number of fatalities. Currently we are sitting at 18. Yesterday we were at 17, but now we have moved to 18. We have surpassed the number with one that we have recorded previously.
eLimpopo labe kubikwe bona izindlela ziphithizela kakhulu ngabantu bebaye esondweni lezethuthi eMoria. Imphathimandla ziyelelisa abatshayeli ukuthi batshayele ngokuyelela njengoba nasibonakala sikhuphuka isibalo senkolo ezikhamba lapho. Imphathimandla ezigade imkhawulo iBorder Management Authority zithi kubotshwa abantu abangaphezulu kwekhulu bebalinga ukweqisa ngolomkhawulo weBeitbridge ngongemthetho.
We are expecting high levels number of people, coming through into the port, coming from the continent, returning to South Africa. But at the same time, we are also expecting some high number of people that will be exiting South Africa, coming from Moria in Polokwane in particular, returning to the continent.
Esifundeni seGauteng sibonakala sikhuphuka isibalo senkolo ngemva kwamadina nje ngesibalo senkolo ezingaphezulu kwama800 ezidlule endleleni ebhadelisako iCarousel Toll Plaza endleleni N1 South ephuma ePolokwane. Imphathimandla zibika ukwehla kwengozi zendlela esifundeni esikilomnyaka ngesikhathi samaholiday wephasika la, kanti kubuka imiphumela ethodikisiweko yokusebenzisana phakathi kwemphathimandla zendlela.
The busiest freeway is the N1 where we are. We're counting 2,400 motor vehicles per hour at the Carousel Toll Plaza. That tells you that our freeways are extremely heavy. And yes, this is going to remain like this until late today.
ePumalanga Kapa botsho abatshayeli abamakhulu amabili namachumi amane nobunane eMonti ngokutholakala kwabatshayeli abudlapha ngempela vekede yama-holiday weGudi. Okhulumela umnyango wezentuthu esifundeni lesi uNathi Bhinqose ubuke imphathimandla ngomsebenzi omuhle ezwenzileko bewaba nokuthi izirage nokuhlonipha ukuzibophelela kwabe ofisini.
There is still that problem of people who get behind the wheel under the influence of alcohol, and thus that has proven time and again that it leads to accident. But another trend that we've noticed, disturbing trend that we've noticed, particularly around the Buffalo City area, is the issue of hit and runs. We are seeing a lot of pedestrians being knocked over by vehicles that will not stop and move on as though nothing has happened.
Nakusenjalo isifunda saKwaZulu-Natal singesinye semfunda ezibika ukwehla kakhulu kwengozi zendlela kilomnyaka ngamaholidela. Lokhu kubangelwe ukwanda kwamapholisa wendlela endleleni zesifundesi. Ingozi ezisithandathu ezibika KwaZulu-Natal zitshengisa ukwehla kwengozi zendlela nakulinganiswa nengozi ezima-21 ezenzeka ngomnyaka ka-2024 ngesikhathi sephasika. Kanti endleleni yomloto ehlanganisa imfunda endathu iMpumalanga, iLimpopo neGauteng nakhona kubikwe isiminyaminya esibabazekako endleleni le. Konke lokho kwenzeka naphezulu kokuthi indlela yemloto ivulavuliwe okulandela isililo ngengozi eziningi bezenzeka lapha. Ilihlo nendlebe zethu zigijimeza ukulalela indlela ukusukela endaweni zaboKwaGafontein ukudlula ePambano ndlelo yeVezibuhle ukuya kwaMhlanga. Kanti nakhona amapholisa wendlela eluse ubujamo ngelihle libukhali. Hlangana nokhunye okwenza bona kuminyane kangaka ngokuthi kazi iyaphuma ingoma engwenyameni namhlanje. Abesana bokulala enkosini kusasa baye emakhosaneni kutsho ukuthi inkolo ziyaphambana zizodwa ezibuyele emuva ezinye khona ziye ekhaya ukuphekelela abantwana kulila bosocherere nemfengwana kwazi sebona inkosi ithabile.
Lonto msasazi yothetha ukuthi noko itraffic sisebenze kakuhle kulena game kodwa ke ngoku sidinga ubaziphele izingozi zingaphunguki maziphele into esiyifunayo ngoku.
Umuntu nangabe ende indlolento kumele ukuthi abonge sibonge amaphoyisa emgwaqo usebenza ngokuqinisela lokhulu.
Usho kona lokho ukuthi siyafunda kancane kancane uyabona njengamanje sizoze siphele total.
Sengazi ukuthi abashayeli bangaqhubeka njengoba nje amaholiday phela bekubuyisela abantu abemva beqhubeka nokuthobela imithetho yomgwaqo.
Umuntu ozokufunyaneka achayela asela utshwala akube idilikadele ngoba lokho nasongena engozini uthayisa nabantu kade bangaseli utshwala.
Bese simusaka sicele nabo abashayeli ukuthi bathi kwehlisa la kweinkampa zingafana ngoba izona ezibangela kakhulu ingozi emgaqweni. Asiphephe sonke emgaqweni.
Umbona ngembukeli SABC ayizukuthosa umlando ngokuziphendulela ngombono mbukeli. Ubukele indaba zesiNdebele ku-SABC 1 nazi kuphunduleko ziyatholakala ku-YouTube, TikTok naku SABC Plus asirage nazo. Umntazinyana weminyaka eli-15 ubudala uzibelethisile ngendlwanini yokuzithuma esibhedlela iPilonomi eBloemfontein. Isehlakalo lesi sisathu siya abantu abaningi kanti naye usathukiwe nanje. Unina uthi abomma ebebalele naye umntwana lo ewodini linye bamtshele bona umntazana lo amanesi akhange amtshetshe naphezulu kokuthi bekasolo awatshela ukuthi uzwa ubuhlungu.
Ubelethe umntwana ophilethu umntazinyana weminyaka eli-15 lomo. Kodwana nanyana kunjalo kunengi kumbe bengenzeka nakazibelethisako njenganje akakhona ukulala uyaphilelwa nakacabanga ngesehlakalo esimi. Unina uthi utshelwe bomma bebangewodini nomntazinyana akhe ngesehlakalo esimi.
Before ke tla ke tla tsama bomme bana ba babedi ba go itse betintse pedi ba shibile kwana ngwana kona shibile kwana a le mong ka side le ka nqe ba re yo ngwana o tshaba o bua ke a mmotsa ke re Nthabeleng ke a re hona a ba tsikinya hlo hanga ga ke a re wa kena mmenwa e mongwe a re ngwana no ha o ipepisitse mo ba
Imbiko yithi umntazinyana lo uchwile ukuthi uzwe inhlungu kodwa nakuthiwa batsho amanesi akhangamtsheje wabona kungcono ukuziyela ngendlwane nayo zibelethisela khona.
Ha ne ba ho etsa something ka ngwana blame no tlo ba duma ngwana ka bana a le monyane ho thwe ke yena a mmoleleng ka bona mmolele ho bana sa mmatli impa le bona ba sa khona hore ba mo fethuso e regeja ka ile ngwana
onena uthi umnyango wezempilo ubaphethe kumbe kanti batsho akusiko kuthoma kuba nje basho ngomnyaka opheleleko udadewabo wathathwa imbeleko ngemva kokuthi amanesi adose inyawo nakufuza zomsiza uthi ufisa ngathana amanesi angatsheja wonke umuntu ngokulinganako. Umnyango wezempilo eFree State uyazipha insolo zobudlapha uthi nanyana kuhlayela abasebenzi kwabelethwa amasana al-14 ngelanga lesihlakalo.
The report tells us that the patients were explained to what the difficulties are with staff, and they were as usual told that please, if you feel the urge to go to the bathroom, don't.
Umnyango lo uthi bewulinga ukuthindana nomntazinyana lo uqinisekisa ukuthi isana lakhe lenzelwe isitifiketi sokubelethwa kanti umnyango lo nokho uyavuma ukuthi umntazinyana lo uzibelethisile.
Yes, the young lady gave birth in the bathroom, and she obviously called for help, and people went to try and assist her and found her already with the baby, and they assisted her to a stretcher.
Kuthonya iphenyo kodwa na akunamuntu obotshiwe kube kubenje.
Nasiphosa ilihlo kezemidlalo libonakala landa ithando nesisekelo lamaphaliswano webhola eragwako adlalelwe ematatawini wehlabathi endaweni zemakhaya. Elinye lamaphaliswano anjalo yi-Shakes Rotating Tournament elidosa amehlo wababukeli abaningi bebhola etatawini iMavula Sports Ground evezubuhle eMpumalanga. Iphaliswano lilasungulwa ngo-2009 mthuthukisi webhola uShakes Kabini. Kana bathumi bephaliswano libafumana imali engange-60,000 yamaranda, ibhigiri nemendlela. Kanti somkhomere wethu SABC uClass Khosana nombiki ndaba wethu Philmons Khosana basihlanganisele nakumbiko.
Rotating Tournament ngelinye lamaphaliswano ebhola eragwako akhamba phambili adlalelwe emagrawundini wehlabathi endaweni zaKwaNdebele. Iphaliswano leli libuthelela iinqhema zebhola eragwako ngomnqopho ukuthuthukisa kunye nokuveza abadlali abasathuthukako. Umsungulalo uShakes Kabini uthi baphephisa ilutsha ngemidlalo leyi begodu baveza namakhono amatsha.
Ukukhuthaza nje ilutsha the young ones abasakhulayo abantwana abancane ukuthi bazi-involve ebholweni bangenelele ebholweni baphume kuma-drugs baphume ku-crime badlala ibholo. Siyazi ukuthi uma umuntu udlala ibholo ifana nesikole iyakuchanela ukuthi ukhule. Uma uphuma esikoleni uyakhona, uma uphuma esikoleni udlala ibholo then bese uma ukhulako intweni eziningi angeze wangena.
Umasipala weThemzile Hani ukhuthaza umphakathi bona usekela amaphaliswano afana nala.
We are encouraging the organizers of this tournament to continue to do it because of economic spin-off. It's a great thing that is happening la kumasipala wethu, abantu bayakhona ukuthengisa, abantu bayathenga. Also in terms of social cohesion, because of e-sport or e-football in South Africa, it's a sport esenza ukuthi kube ne-social cohesion.
Iphaliswano leli libandwa qobe ngamoldi wephasika. Abosomabhizinisi abafumana ithuba lokuthengisa iphaliswano leli bathi leli lithuba elihle lokwenza imali.
Siyazuza simphakathi njengathi kwamalume Dagood sesizuze khulu njengombana sikhona ukuthengisa solo i-tournament yathoma.
Re khona go re khona rekisha mo and then re khona provide bana ko high for bana ko high.
Hlangana nabanye abadlali sibasezingeni eliphezulu abadlala iphaliswano leli kubalwa uSanele Bans weStellenbosch FC noElias Mugwana weEsperance eTunisia. Abalandeli bebhola eragwako bayalithabela ithuba lokuba yingcenye iphaliswano leli.
Ama-games la ngicabanga ukuthi ngibona ukuthi aqakatheke khulu ngombana ahelebhe lutsha lethu lisendleleni khulu alinazinto abazenzako since the unemployment rate is too high.
uShakes wenza into enkulu ehle khulu nethi sesiyambawela nje imponza kezimsupport zibekhona ibhola ekhaya improve, and then esinye isibawo sokugcina sokuthi kube nama-scout manje kunabasana abadlala ibhola ehle khulu ekhayana.
Lana umnyaka iphaliswano lithunde
njeke seyamelewe ebujameni bezulu. Siphelela lapha ke bese inhlanganisele ilanga lanamhlanje ezilandelako ngezesizulu ngesimbi yekhombe ebusuku. Kusasa zikhona zeSwati. Sinchane nithombe zesiminyaminya sendlela. Niphephe lapho nikhona. Umusa.